Hey, welcome everybody. Today I will be showing you tutorial how to eat fudge. The first step is to acquire fudge. Now, I have already done this off camera. This is a handmade Swedish fudge. It says so right here. I had to travel to Gamla stan and pretend to be Swedish to purchase this fudge. This is a difficult step for me for obvious reasons. Now, if you cannot tell, it is because the Swedish, like the Dutch, are a ridiculous people. And I am not ridiculous. If you would like a separate tutorial on how to pretend to be Swedish in order to purchase homemade Swedish fudge in Gamla stan, then please provide the video with 5 likings o 5 me gustas para mis amigos latino. The next step is to hold the fudge in your hand like so. Like so, easy peasy. And for last step, my favorite step, you put fudge in your mouth and, okay, please stop watching, you're not making me comfortable. Okay, would you like if I come in your house and watch you eat? No, correct? Please, boundaries. Thank you, dziękuję. Wow, that was delicious! If you have enjoyment, please subscribe and return next week for new tutorial. How to sign up your cousin who is unemployed, does not do dishes, for 14-year military service. Bye bye!